How to save Instagram photos and videos in gallery. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can automatically save your photos and videos to your gallery. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram app and get logged into your Instagram account. Then tap onto your profile on your bottom right, then tap on three-bar icon on your top page. Here, scroll below and under your app and media, tap on archiving and downloading at the second option. As you do so, make sure that you have toggled on save original photos under saving to camera roll. It will automatically save the unedited photos and videos taken with Instagram's feed camera to your camera roll. Also make sure to toggle on the second option of save story to gallery. Your story will be automatically saved to your phone's gallery. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.